Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have b cubed divided by b is equals to b, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. And in the first method here, we move the term from denominator to the right hand side. So here you see that this is b divided by here. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by this b, and after moving this to the right hand side, it will be written as b cubed equals to b multiplied by b. And now here further in the next step we have in the left hand side, this is b cubed is equals to, this is b multiplied by b is equals to b square. And in the next step here, we need to move this b square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as b cubed minus b square is equals to 0. And in the next step we have, you see that both of these two terms involve a b square, so that we take common b square from here, or in other words we first rewrite this equation into the simplified form as this is b cubed, we write it as b square multiplied by b. We know about that b square times b becomes b cubed minus this is b square is equals to 0. And now you see here clearly we have b square be the common term, so we take common b square from here, and when we take common b square we get the remaining values are from here we get b only, minus from here we get 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step, here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b square equals to 0, and the second case is we write b minus 1 is equals to 0. So you see that if b square equals to 0, this means that from here we obtain two repeated roots, and these roots are 0 and 0. So here we get the value of b is equals to 0. And here we have this is b minus 1, and when we move this minus 1 to the right hand side, it will be written as b is equals to plus 1. So this is the second root of the given equation. So in the next step, we need to verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So for a verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement here, and our given question statement is b cubed divided by b is equals to b. This is the given question statement, and in this side we will be verify b equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to 1. So here for verification of b equals to 0, we need to substitute b equals to 0 on both of the sides of the above equation. And after substituting this to the above equation, it will be written as, when you put it here, it will becomes 0 cubed divided by 0 is equals to 0. So here we have 0 cubed becomes 0, and this will be written as 0 over 0 form is equals to 0. And here you clearly see that the left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form, or in other words we say that it is the indeterminate form. Okay, or we further say that 0 over 0 form is called the undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that the both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that b equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we call that b equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now here in the same pattern we need to move towards our second case, and in the second case we substitute b equals to 1 on both of the sides of this equation, and it will be written as 1 cubed divided by 1 is equals to 1. and you already know about that 1 cubed becomes 1, and 1 divided by 1 is also equals to 1. So here we get 1 equals to 1. This means that the value b equals to 1 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this question is b equals to 1. So this is the final conclusion about the solution set of this problem which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem from second method. Here for second method we need to copy down given question statement here, and our given question statement is b cubed divided by b is equals to b. This is the our given question statement, and here we use another technique to find the values of b. So here for this we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have x to the power of m divided by x to the power of n, so it is equals to x to the power of m minus n. So according to this rule of exponents, we move the term from denominator to the numerator side, and it will be written as b to the power of 3 minus 1 is equals to b. And now here you see that 3 minus 1 becomes here b square, and we move this b in the left hand side and it will becomes here minus b, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now again we take common b from here, and when we take common b we get the remaining values are b minus 1 equals to 0. And we again divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b equals to 0, and the second case is we write b minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we get b equals to plus 1. So this is the second root of the given equation. So in the second method you again see here we get these are the two roots of the given equation, but in the first method we already verified that b equals to 0 be the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement, and b equals to 1 be the solution because it is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this question is b is equals to 1. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.